Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is nice algebraic expression square root of 9 to the power of 9 minus 9 to the power of 8, and we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. But you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. This means that we need to show all of the working on this paper. So we move towards the solution of this problem, and the very first step we are going to do is first we rewrite this expression as this is square root of 9 to the power of 9, and we write it as 9 to the power of 8 plus 1 minus 9 to the power of 8. And here we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. According to this rule of exponents, we just break this exponent as 9 to the power of 8 multiplied by 9 minus 9 to the power of 8. Further, in the next step, here inside the square root sign, we will take common 9 to the power of 8, and we get the remaining values are 9 minus 1. After little bit simplifications, we will get here square root of 9 to the power of 8 multiplied by 9 minus 1 becomes here 8. And here further we just break this 9 to the power of 8 as square root of 9 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2, and it is multiplied by 8. So here we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m multiplied by n, we write it as a to the power of m to the power of n. Further, we use another radical law. You know that if inside the radical sign we have two numbers that multiplied by each other, so we apply radical separately on both of these two values in this form. So here we use these two rules to the above expression. So this will be implies that first we rewrite this expression as square root of, we write 9 to the power of 4 times 2 becomes 9 to the power of 4 and its whole square, and we break this square root sign on both of these two values in this form. This is square root of 8. And now here you see that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here 9 to the power of 4 multiplied by this is square root of 8. So here our next target is to find the value of 9 to the power of 4. So for this, in order to find the value of 9 to the power of 4, we just first copy down this value here. So the meaning of 9 to the power of 4 is that we multiply 9 to the power of 2 with 9 to the power of 2. And further you see here 9 square becomes 81 multiplied by 9 square becomes 81, and here we break this 81 as 80 plus 1, and now we multiply 81 on both of these two values, and we get 81 multiplied by 80 plus 81 multiplied by 1 becomes here 81. So here we consider this is one digit number and this is our two digit number. So we have 0 times this number becomes 0, and 8 times this number becomes 8 ones are 8, and 8 eights are 64 plus 81. So we need to sum up both of these two values, and we have 0 plus 1 becomes 1, 8 plus 8 becomes 16. We write 6 and carry 1. This is 4 plus 1 becomes 5, and this is our 6. So we have the value of 9 to the power of 4 is equals to 6561. So we replace the value of 9 to the power of 4 to the above expression. So our above expression is written as 9 to the power of 4 multiplied by 8. So we rewrite this term as 9 to the power of 4 multiplied by, we write 8 as 4 times of 2. And now we replace the value of 9 to the power of 4, and it will become 6561 is multiplied by, here we know that the square root of 4 becomes here 2 times of square root of 2. So after that, here we need to multiply this value with 2, and we get here our final destination. So we multiply 2 with this number, and we get 2 ones are 2, 2 sixes are 12. We write 2 and carry 1. 2 fives are 10. 10 plus 1 becomes 11. We write 1 and carry 1. 2 sixes are 12. 12 plus 1 becomes 13 times of square root of 2. So this is the our required simplified form of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.